We've got just 36 days left to flip the switch and build a better future for our cities and towns. This is Tobin at the Virtual Storefronts campaign. Today I want to talk to you about our big problems and the big problem with big solutions. They don't work. If you have ever worked on anything from scratch, you know that starting your actions with the big picture goes nowhere and keeps going nowhere. Whether you're making pancakes or fighting the injustice you see in the world, social media has given us a new kind of media inertia, an interactive television that gives the appearance of activity because you can be part of blowing up the story. And that makes it feel like you're doing something to change things. But often, blowing up the story is more likely to create conflict than change anything. What I want you to do is to write down each thing that you are doing today at work or personally in a list. You can do this tomorrow and the next day too. Next to each thing that you are doing that you know is an action forward, add a P for positive. Next to everything else, write N for neutral or neg for negative. Keeping track of what you are doing each day is the best way I know to see how you are changing your life and the world around you. Remember, only you can like this post like Storefront Stan, share it like a communist, and see first like you can actually control Facebook. See you next time.